exponents?
Um, I don't know. We
You have
have like a quiz next week based on what we learned.
Okay, so you are still doing exponents, right?
Yeah, we're still doing like adding, subtracting,
Okay, so
multiplying,
in last
like
class
what we
we
did last class.
yeah, so exponent in last class we'll learn some basic rules, like if there are two numbers, two exponents which are in multiplication, then we add the power like 4 plus 3, which is 7, right? So, and
Right.
if they are in like suppose we have this, so base is same and exponent they are in division, so we subtract like 5 minus 3, that would be 2. And
Yeah.
if we have like 2 to the power 3 whole to the power 6, then we times these two. 6 times 3 18, so this would be 2 to the power 18. If we have like 4 square, suppose 4a whole 2 square, so we can write it separately, like 4 to the power 2, a to the power 2. 4 square is 16, a square is this, right? If we have a negative power like x to the power negative 3, that can be written as 1 over x to the power positive 3, right?
Hmm.
So these are some of the exponent rules that you need to remember, okay? Even in
Yeah.
scientific notation, because it is related. In scientific notation, like if we have a huge number or a very small number, we use scientific notation method because um, so like it remove the confusion, because if like let me show you. Hmm. For example, 10 to the power 5 meter. So putting if we put zeros, like 5 is even understandable and it's not that difficult, but suppose we have 10 to the power 20, so putting 20 zeros, it can like we can get a mistake here because putting 20 zeros and it would be a long number, right?
Yeah. So using the power will make it shorter.
Yes. So when the scientific notation, in when we represent a product of factor and in the power of 10, for example 8.3 times 10 to the power negative 7, so this number, the first number, should be between 1 and 10. So it should be it can be 1 or equal to 1 or greater than 1, but it should be less than 10. Like here I cannot write
Yeah.
10, it should be less than 10. So from 1 to 10, the first number should be, and then 10 to the power something. Okay, the power of 10.
Yeah.
So scientific notation is used to write very small or very large numbers. Like this number,
Okay.
10 to the power negative 6 means it is very small number, right?
Yeah.
Or
One to
10,
the.
yeah, when there is a negative power means it is very small number. And
Okay.
when there is a positive power, that means it's a large number.
Big.
Yeah, big.
Okay.
So exponent, if exponent is negative, we move the decimal to the left. Let's see. So this is scientific notation, right? Because we have
Yeah.
8 times 10 to the power something, let's say 2 or something. So this should be between 1 and 10. So you can see 3.22, it is less than 10, right? So it is in scientific notation. We have to convert it into standard form. Standard means like without exponent, okay?
Yeah. Okay.
Hmm. So hmm, what we do is when we have, first we need to check if the power is positive or negative. We write the number 3.22. Power is negative. Negative means we need to move the decimal to the left. This is the decimal. How many places? For that, we need to check exponent. It is negative 4. So move it 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay.
Yeah.
And these
Okay.
empty places we need to fill with zeros. So this will
Oh, so it's a
become
very small number.
0.0032. 2 2. Yeah, you can see it is very very less than 1, right?
Yeah.
And if the power is positive, we need to move the decimal point to the right. How many steps? For that, we need to check the exponent. The power
5.
is 5, so we need to move 5 steps. First, we write the number 7.9, move it 5 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These empty place need to fill with 0. So this will become 790,000. Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay. Try this. Write it in
Okay.
standard form.
Standard form. Okay. Um, 12. 120,000.
This. Oh, you are telling me this.
Oh,
I know.
that.
120,000. Yes, that's correct. Good.
Right.
Yeah, just tell me
Yeah.
how many zeros should I put like that?
Oh, 7. 7.
Yes, there would be 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 zeros. And for this, number 3,
Oh, so that would be there'd be 4 zeros in front of the decimal. So one.
very good. 4 zeros.
So
1,
zero
2, 3.
point zero zero zero.
Exactly. Next.
That's 4. Oh, that would be 1, 2, 4. 12,850.
Exactly. Good. Hmm. Now let's check. Like in calculator, if you use this, you will get E. E means exponent. 10 to the power something like
Oh,
5.6 e to the power 12 means it is 5.6 times 10 to the power 12. Okay, if
okay.
e to the power this is 2.1 times 10 to the power negative 10, so in calculator you
Right.
get e.
Okay.
Hmm. So okay, analyze what is the error here
Error.
in this question.
Oh, they went forward. When it's negative, when the exponent is negative, you go back.
Exactly.
You go back spaces. Yeah.
Yeah, so what should be the correct answer?
It should be 0.0000041.
Yes. Okay, now yeah, like here you can see these are large number, and for these numbers we use scientific notation. Okay.
Yeah.
Hmm. Now we need to go, if we have given standard form, how to convert it into scientific notation. Like here, so as I said that this is scientific notation and this number should be less than 10 and 1 or greater than 1. So this number should be between 1 and 10. And for example, here we have 8,600, right? So what we need to do,
Yeah.
we need to make the first number less than 10. So what I can do, I can write 8.6, and because I'm putting decimal here between 8 and 6, so I'm going 1 2 3, 3 steps left, right? So that's why
Right.
I need to put 10 raised to power 3. When I'm going left side, the power is going to be positive. And like in this
Okay.
number, because even you can look like this is a large number, so the power is going to be positive. This is a smaller number, so power is going to be negative. Now in this one, the number is very less than 1, but this number should be between 1 and 10, so we can make it 2.4. So we are moving, putting decimal here between 2 and 4, so 1 2 and 3 steps to the right, so the power is going to be negative 3. Okay.
Okay.
Hmm.
Yeah.
Like here, this is a huge number. So first number I'm making 1.65. So I'm moving it. How many steps? Because I'm putting decimal here, so this is 9 steps, so that it's going to be 10 raised to power 9.
Yeah.
Hmm. In this one, we are moving decimal here because 268 is there, which we can convert into 2.68. So the decimal is here. We are putting it here. So we'll start from the given decimal and count the number of steps from the given decimal to here, which is 6 steps. So this will become -6 because we are going to the right and the number is smaller, right?
Yeah.
So the power is negative.
Okay.
Okay, try this. Write it in scientific notation.
25 to the power of 6.
No.
Oh, scientific notation.
Yeah,
25 times 10 to the power of 6.
but 25 is greater than 10. As I said, this number should be less than 10.
Oh, 2.5
Yes, 2.5 to
times 10 to the power of 6. 7.
7. Because if you check, these are 7 steps.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4, 6 this and 1 this 7. Okay, try this. Number 6. Write it in scientific notation.
Okay. So 5.06 times 10 to the power of -4.
Very good. -4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, that's correct. Analyze the error in number 12.
Okay. Um, in the scientific notation. They have to put a negative.
Yeah, it should be -5. And here,
72 is greater than 10.
yes. So what should this be?
7.25.
And this?
Times 10 to the power 7.
Very good. Now let's see operations in scientific notation. How do we add, subtract, or multiply or divide them? Uh, so for addition, like here, uh, to find the sum of two scientific notation, first we add the factors. Okay, like 4.6
Okay.
plus this, because they both have same exponent. They both have 10 raised to power 3 and 3, right? So we can take
Yeah.
it common. We can
Ah,
write it one time and just add these two, which is 13.32. And because this number is bigger than 10, right? 13.
right.
So we need to convert it, we need to move decimal here, which will become 1.332, right?
Yeah.
And as we are moving decimal here, one step, so we'll get 10 raised to power 1.
Okay.
So which is 3
And
plus
then
1
we
is 10 to the
add.
power 4.
Wait, wouldn't it be subtraction? Because there's parentheses?
No, they are in multiplication.
Okay.
And when we multiply them, we need to add the power.
We add.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
In second one, we are subtracting. So this is only if the exponent is same, then we can take it common and just subtract or add the number. But here, first we subtract these two. 3.5 minus 6.6, right? But we
Yeah.
can we cannot directly subtract because the exponent is different. One is -2,
Yeah.
another is -3. So we can write this -3 as 10 to the power -2. We can convert it, right? How?
Uh,
By moving the decimal to the left, right?
left.
Yeah, because if I move one left, this will become from -3, this will become -2, right?
Yeah.
Now, because now we have -2 and this is already -2, they both have same exponent, right? So we can just subtract these two. We got 2.84, and because they both have same 10 to the power -2, we can just write it like this, and that's our answer. Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
So if the exponent is not same, first you need to convert one of them into another and make sure no, you make it same.
Okay.
So to multiply scientific notation number, like here, first we just times factors. 5 times 3, 15. We have 10 to the power 5 and 10 to the power -2. When two exponents are in multiplication, we know we need to add power, right?
Yeah.
So this 5
But
plus
it's
2 is
negative.
7. Yeah,
Oh, but even if it's negative, we still add.
yes. -5,
Okay.
no, -5 plus -2 is -7, right?
All right.
Now this is 15, which is greater than 10, so we need to make it smaller. And if I move it by one, like I put a decimal here, this will become 1.5 because we are putting after one digit, so we get 10 raised to power 1. And again, we add the power. 1 plus -7 is -6, right?
Yeah.
And that's how we got 1.5 times 10 to the power -6. Okay.
Yeah.
For division, again we divide these two. 1.5 divided by 6, 0.25. And for division, we know the rule. We need to subtract
Subtract.
-8. And so 8 minus 7, which is -15. This is less than 1. So we need to make it bigger. So that's why we
Yeah.
move decimal by one place and we got -1 because we are moving
Okay.
decimal by one place. And now they are in multiplication. We add them. 15 and 1 is 16. So if you notice, only in case of addition and subtraction, we need to make sure that exponent is same, but not in multiplication and division. Here, the multiplication was not same. This was 5 and this was 2, but still we can get the answer. So for
Okay.
yeah, for addition and subtraction, exponent should be same. For multiplication and division, even if it is not same, it will work.
Okay.
Okay, let's try this.
Wait. Okay. So, okay. So we're adding. Would it be 834
Yes, 8.
times 10 to the power of 7?
That's correct. Good. Uh, okay. Try this number 13.
Okay. 16.4 times 10 to the power of 11.
No. When you add them 9.7 and this 10 to the power 11. So 9.7 plus 6.7.
7,
Yeah, so
right?
you cannot write it as 16.
16.4.
You need to make it smaller than 10, right?
Right. So 1.64.
Yes, 1.64.
1.6. Then it would be times 10 to the power 12.
Uh,
Because 6 plus 5 is 11. And
uh,
then we have to do
but they are
times.
not in multiplication. See, this plus this. That rule is only for multiplication. Like if it is 10 raised to power 6 times 10 raised to power 5, then we can write 11. But there is a
So
plus.
when it's, so what do I do?
Hmm.
Subtract?
First of all,
I subtract.
no. Subtraction we do when they are in division.
Okay.
First convert both of them into same exponent
How?
by moving the decimal. What's wrong? Okay, it is like this. Hmm. I think I should explain here. So as I said, when you are adding or subtracting, the exponent should be same. Okay. For
Okay.
multiplication and division, eh, even if they are not same, you don't need to make it same. So first 9.7 to the power 6 is there, and here we have 10 to the power 5. So to make it, let's
Okay.
convert it into 10 to the power 6. So smaller one you can convert it into bigger one. So 6.7, how can you make this power into 10 to the power 6? What you need to do here?
By bringing the decimal back 1.
Yes, so this 6.7 will become,
0.67.
yes, 0.67, 10 to the power 6, and this is 9.7, 10 to the power 6. Now we are adding this and this. So add these two because the power is same. Now we can add. So after making these two same, only then add the numbers. So 9.7 plus 0.67 is 10.37, right? And we
Right.
write
Okay.
when the same power are there in addition, this we can just take it common. So this will become 10 to the power
Yeah,
6. Just write it
10.6.
once.
But isn't 10.37 bigger than 10?
Yes, we need to make it smaller. Now we will move the decimal here and this will become
Back.
1.037 times 10 to the power 7, right?
Yes.
And that's our answer.
Okay.
Try 11. This one, let me just.
That one. Okay.
This.
Okay. Yeah. Mm. So I got 8.0, I mean 8.045.
Hmm,
Oh wait, no, wrong. Sorry. 1 second.
okay.
This is subtraction. I did it wrong.
First, did you convert it into same exponent?
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah. I got 7.5
Yes.
minus, I mean times 10 to the power of 7.
Very good. That's correct. Okay, now let's do this one. Try this.
Okay, okay. 2.9
Yes.
times 10 to the power of negative 3.
Very good. So here you can see we didn't made we didn't convert it into same exponent, right? We directly
Yeah,
subtracted them because they are in division. The same we do for multiplication, okay? Only in case of
okay.
addition and subtraction you need to convert it into same. Try this.
Yeah. Multiplication. 9.1
Hmm.
times 10 to the power of negative 40.
See 8 plus negative 5. How much is
But it's
that?
times.
Yeah, for times we add them, right? 8
Add
and
them. Okay. Oh, okay. So it's 3.
yes, it's 3. Okay, good. Mm, So you try 21 and
Yep.
23. Try these two. I'll be right back. Meanwhile, you get your answer.
Okay. Wait.
Yeah, I'm back.
Yeah.
So, what is your answer for 21 and 23?
Yeah, got kind of confused. But for 21, I got 2.88
Hmm.
times 10 to the power of negative 7.
Okay, that's correct. And 23?
Then 23, I got 7
7?
times 10 to the power of, yeah, 7.
Okay,
Wait, wait, I did it
okay.
wrong. I got 1.12
1.12.
times times 10 to the power of negative zero point 0.6. I don't think that's right.
Negative 6.
Yeah,
Okay, let me explain. So, if you divide
zero
these
point
two,
0.6, like 0.6.
no, exponent should be whole number. Okay,
Yeah,
2.8 and 2.5, if you divide them, you get 1.12. When 10 to the power
yeah.
4 and 10 to the power 6, so you need to
Oh, we
subtract them. 4,
subtract.
yeah, you divided them,
Forgot
right?
about that.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yes,
So it's negative 2.
yes, it's negative 2. Good.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay, great. Analyze error in number 15.
Okay. 5. Um, they like took it out of the equation. They didn't
Yeah,
solve it correctly.
okay, yeah,
They
true, correct.
switched.
Hmm.
Yeah.
Yeah, first we need to make these thingy same, and then this is not what we do. We just write it once. Suppose this is 10 to the power 8, so we need to write only 10 to the power 8, right?
Yeah.
Because we are adding, not multiplying, right?
Right. Yeah.
Any question?
No.
Okay, bye.